until 2:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:38 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 13 miles southwest of Frankfort to 11 miles south of Crawfordsville and moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Zionsville, New Ross, Corntown, Advance, Jamestown, Doolin, and Whitestown. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 129 and 149. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 37 and 54. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in Indiana,